few clouds are starting to work their way into the air, but don't worry, a little bit of sunshine is still peeking through here in Columbus, but a lot more clouds are going to be building in as our next big weather maker is pushing its way through. But right now, we're seeing some a little bit unseasonably warm temperatures, up to 77 right now in the Golden Triangle, maybe even getting up to 80 later today, so a little bit warm out there, but we will be cooling off as the next set of weather moves through. Around the state, we're seeing very similar temperatures as well. 80 down in Jackson, 81 in Meridian, 79 in Tupelo, so lots of temperatures right there in the upper 70s, low 80s, so it's feeling pretty warm across most of the state right now. We're seeing that across the region as well, with 77 in Atlanta, 77 in Memphis, 82 in New Orleans. But our next big frontal system, you can really start to see here as the colors change right across Indiana, Illinois. We're seeing where the warm front is, and as we move back over to the west, we're seeing where that cold front is setting up right now across Texas and Oklahoma, Kansas, and that's going to be where we see our next big chances for rain, and it's already really setting up right now. We're seeing lots of clouds out in front of it, this long stretch of clouds moving through the Midwest, and we're seeing down here in Mississippi that same little bit of clouds starting to build its way in, and right now we're seeing some storms start to build up towards the northern part near the warm front. Remember last week we saw some storms starting to build right here with the frontal system in southwest Oklahoma. Right now though, they're really building across the warm front. We're seeing severe weather already starting to pop up here along Illinois, Indiana, back towards my old stomping grounds. They're already seeing some tornado warnings today, and we could see a bit of severe weather chance for Mississippi tomorrow as well. The Storm Prediction Center has already issued a slight risk of severe weather down here towards the Arklatex region as well as over into western Mississippi. So we'll keep our eye out for some severe weather tomorrow as some thunderstorms start to build ahead of this cold front. Models are showing much of the same thing as this front is really starting to build. We see that big line of storms starting to really move its way in. It's really bringing some rain right here to the Golden Triangle area as well, stretching back, and that will continue to move through. So lots of rain in the picture, up to 1.5 inches of rain with some models predicting right now. So we'll see plenty of rain. You'll definitely need that umbrella as you work your way to the car. We don't see much rain just yet with a high of 80 today, but we have a few isolated showers popping up here and there. You may see a little bit of drizzle out there. Tonight we see low dropping down to 63 degrees. Once again, some isolated showers are possible, but the real chance of rain moves in tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. We see showers and thunderstorms, high of 77 degrees, so we're going to need those umbrellas. Like I said already, I'm just emphasizing that need because there's going to be lots of rain. We haven't really seen a whole lot of that lately. But Wednesday, we see the temperatures really start to drop as that cold air moves its way in, and even though the low Wednesday morning is 63, it drops to 40 by the next morning. Lots of cool temperatures, and we see it start to clear back out by the end of the week with some clouds moving in by the end of the weekend. I'm meteorologist Micah Rumsey. Have a great afternoon.